Software will be the main competitive factor in the future. At Kardex, we recognize that optimizing warehouse operation is crucial to success. That's why, in addition to our machines, we provide a comprehensive software ecosystem. It is designed to integrate effortlessly with our customers' warehouse systems, eliminating operational silos and ensuring seamless information flow throughout the entire operation. This includes full integration with existing ERP systems, flawless connectivity to peripheral devices, and built-in KPI optimization. What truly distinguishes Kardex is our dedicated in-house software team. Highly skilled professionals who handle everything from requirement analysis and software development to quality assurance, installation, training, and ongoing support. Kardex offers remote access services for immediate support and consultation, while our data analytics services form the foundation of informed decision-making, significantly enhancing productivity. For specific use case requirements, our international software service centers customize the software to meet our customers' unique needs. At Kardex, cybersecurity is paramount. We prioritize protecting your data and ensuring operational integrity. Our software is designed with strong security measures and is continuously updated to counter emerging threats. This commitment allows businesses to operate confidently, knowing that data and processes are secure. Stay tuned for our upcoming software as a service offering.